All right, we are going to attempt to cook another one of my favorite Philippine meals by request, but it is my favorite meal, chicken adobo. I'm about to go in now and prepare everything. I probably won't do that on camera, but being that it's 100 degrees here in South Carolina, it was hard to find firewood, but we got lucky enough to find some. And I'm gonna do everything outside like I did the last one. And by no means is this channel turned into a cooking channel, but I do want to cook one of my favorite meals. And plus somebody asked me to do it, I guess, and y'all critique me on it too. Tell me if I do good on it, tell me if I do bad on it, let me know. And I want another favor, if y'all will, if y'all help me out. This video, I want it to reach 1,000 likes. And what I'm gonna do is, if it'll reach 1,000 likes, I'm gonna send somebody my Diesel Kong hat, the very first edition. I'm gonna go through the comments, so like, subscribe, comment, and that's how you'll win the hat. And I'll also send you some stickers too. But if it'll reach 1,000 likes, I'm gonna go through the comments and pick a winner to grab the hat. If you want the hat, if you don't, I understand. But I'm gonna go inside now and get everything prepared for this cook, because I'm gonna do it right here. Got a lot of compliments on the background back here in the cow pasture. It is gorgeous back there. But let's see how this turns out. And y'all do tell me if I do something wrong. Let me know. It calls for half a cup of soy sauce, 1/4 vinegar, white preferred, some garlic. Can never go. You can never use too much garlic. You can use not enough, like this bag don't have enough. All right, and I left the bay leaves. I got to go get those, but it does call for 5 bay leaves to go in this at that time. So we got to let this marinate for 30 minutes. The rest of the stuff here, got some garlic, some onions, a little bit of sugar. It said that balances the taste. Olive oil, that's what I'm going to cook in. Some corn pepper and some salt. Add that to taste. But the olive oil, it's kind of a high heat olive oil, so extra virgin. So I'm cooking that. The first 15 minutes I got to cook the chicken on each side for 3 minutes. Now I got to get this fire started. I had to buy starter logs because we had no firewood around here, being 100 degrees. So we got some starter logs. I'm going to cheat a little bit, but it's okay. I'm even gonna burn the directions, but it's okay. 4 hours later. Ow! I think I just knocked that one slam out. You know what I mean? I got one of those jet lighters and I don't know what I did with it. We will let that get going and we'll see where we at. And the marinade has to marinate for 30 minutes. Like I said, this is not turning into, disclaimer, it's not turning into a cooking channel. Right now, I'm doing more work with my business, so I'm not doing a lot of traveling right now. So I like making videos. I love making videos. It's really fun. And if I can find stuff to do like this, I'll give it a shot. There's one more thing I want to try cooking too. It's lumpia. Lumpia, the first time I went to the Philippines, my girlfriend showed me how to make lumpia, rolling it up and everything, but I do have to order the wraps. Very simple. I say it's simple, it looks simple, but I want to give that a try next. If y'all want to see that one, leave me a comment below and let me know if you want to see me cook some lumpia. I'm hoping this here turns out pretty good. But I guess we'll find out. This fire's giving me a little bit of a hard time. All right, y'all, that fire did everything but whip my tail 2 or 3 times. Between the wet wood and them logs that I bought, they wasn't functioning the way they should function. You know, you're supposed to put one of those on the fire and and it's supposed to light up pretty good and just go with it. Oh yeah, and these are some of my stickers. Diesel Kong stickers. But like I say, 1,000 likes, like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll pick a winner from the comments below. Got the fire going pretty good now. So I'm about to put the chicken on there. We marinated it. It's got the bay leaves, the garlic, soy sauce, pepper, and it's ready to go on. Gotta take that shot. It said cook for 3 minutes on each side. That's what we're gonna do. Snap. That was one of my favorite things about the Philippines. One of my favorite things. There's many things about the Philippines I really love, but food and them little canterinas is so cheap and so good. Everything's cooked fresh there. I got to thinking the other day about how crappy I eat here. I tell you what I did. Today is Wednesday. This should go up tomorrow, Thursday. But Monday, I had eggs for breakfast. That was pretty much it. And then yesterday, I had pizza for lunch. Last night for supper, I think I had watermelon. And then today, I had, what did I have today? A peanut butter and jelly sandwich for lunch. And the bread, you know, if you look at the ingredients in the bread, it's really bad. It makes bad for gut health and stuff like that. And I'm not trying to educate you or anything like that, but it's just not good. It makes my stomach hurt, but I was hungry. I was making ice cream and I got really hungry, so I went to the house and made me a sandwich. And I'm cooking this here fresh tonight. So this is gonna be the best meal that I've had all week. We are adding rice with this too. We're gonna have rice with it. But over there, everything is freshly cooked. You go to the little markets and it's still got dirt on the vegetables. You got to take them home and wash them. So, you know how our grocery stores are. They don't have it like that. But I love the food over there. Chicken adobo was one of my all-time favorites. My second is probably lumpia. And then the one that I cooked the other day, I might have said that was my favorite. It was my favorite for breakfast because I ate it about every morning, sometimes for lunch and breakfast. Hey, I got that fire going now. But I can't wait to try this because I'm going by the recipe that Junalyn gave me. Philippine Fly Girl. If you get a chance, go to her YouTube. Give her a sub if you will, like and subscribe her videos. But she gave me the ingredients to put in this. I'm going by what she kind of told me and also a video that she sent me. Kind of wish my firewood hadn't got wet. It would have been a better burn than using these here Green Mountain logs there. They're not all that good. The recipe calls for 3 minutes each side, but I like to overdo my chicken just a little bit because I like to make sure my chicken is done. So I give it just a few minutes, more minutes on each side than I normally would. Oh, that smells good, y'all. That smells real good. Yeah, that chicken there looks good. Look at this. Y'all see that? I like extra onions, so I'm gonna put in extra onions. And I like garlic too, so I guess I add a little extra of that. Did clean everything up before when I came back out of my shop there. got a rocky pan, don't I? It's all right. I think I got too many onions. Don't judge me on this. Don't judge me. Whatever you do, don't judge me. I know people say, you can't go strong with too much onions. I agree. I do agree. I love onions. Even though Gordon Ramsay calls me all the time asking me for recipes, and calls me at the worst time sometimes. You know, I'll be cooking in the middle of something and I get a phone call and it's Gordon wanting to know, hey man, how do you cook that chicken? And I'll be like, come on man, I just told you last week. Then he'll come over here and he'll just sit here for like hours until I tell him this stuff. So I finally give in and tell him. Oh, sorry about that. Y'all got y'all off out of frame there. Just to say, it says to balance the taste. There's some sugar. Let me know if anybody else uses sugar in their recipe. And some peppercorn. Yes, that is a fire shooting out on the left-hand side there. Kind of blazing, ain't it? This is actually my Blackstone griddle lid, but it fits perfect on top of that pot right there. I think my fire is doing really good right now. It took forever, but now that it's blazing, I'm good with it. Y'all want to see the lumpia video? I mean, I like cooking videos, I really do. They're fun. I like cooking like this. This reminds me so much of camping, but I'm right here in my backyard and got this gorgeous view behind me. Look at the clouds back there. I hope the camera's doing that justice. But anybody been to the Philippines and tried chicken adobo? Leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear about it. Oh snap. That was something fell out of that tree. I know I got a bunch of bad limbs up there. I hope this wind ain't too strong in my microphone. But if you have been to the Philippines and you've tried this food, lumpia, chicken adobo, buhan, wait a minute, excuse me, bihan. I was corrected on that a lot in the comments, which I appreciate it, because I was murdered, and I'm sure I was. But if you ever tried it, or anything that was your favorite food in the Philippines, let me know, because I love interacting with y'all, and I try to answer all the comments. I don't want to miss nobody. Sometimes I do, and if I do, I'm sorry. But like I said, I tried to get to all of y'all. I appreciate y'all. Give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you will. The last video did really well, and I hope this one does the same thing. I hope y'all support this one the same as you did the last one. But with that, don't forget now, the hat. Want to win this hat? 1,000 likes, like, subscribe, and leave me a comment, and I'll pick the person out of the comments, and I'll send you the hat, and I'll also send you some stickers, but I'll contact you first to get your address and everything. This one is pretty much done. It looks like it is. It looks really good. Let's just steam. Oh, it didn't do it that time. But yeah, I think it's pretty much ready. So I'm gonna get me some rice and get me some of this chicken adobo, and I want to give it a shot, see what it tastes like. I hope it tastes just like it does in the Philippines, but that is it right there. Woo! That looks so good. Got to give it a whirl there. Put me a little bit of that juice on my rice right there. You know what? I'm just gonna go in with the fingers. Ain't that how we do it in the Philippines? That's right. And it's hot. Ah, woo, ow, ouch. Ow, okay. That right there is good. Oh my gosh. Yo. I wish y'all could try that right there. My gosh, that's good. I should have cooked more chicken. I cooked 5, 6 pieces, but it's for 3 people, so I hope it's not too windy with the microphone. But I got to say that right there is probably the best I've done as far as cooking anything. That is amazing. I got to stop bragging for a second. My goodness. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit right here and mash them left. Let me know. That is so good. So good. I hope some of my Filipino brothers and sisters over there representing. All right. Y'all don't want to send me and watch you eat all this stuff, 'cause I'm acting like a pig right now. But give me a second. I ain't gonna eat it. This is all raw. Like, subscribe, leave me a thumbs up if you will. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see the lumpia video, leave me a comment below, because I really want to do that one. And I'll probably cook lumpia if you don't want to see the video, but I hope you want to see it so I can make another one for you. I really enjoy this YouTube thing, and I appreciate all of y'all's support. Love y'all. See y'all on the next one.